This thing is not going to get hurt in your application. These things last forever. Hi, I'm Neil Peterson with LED Lighting Supply. Today I'm going to talk about LED high bays and how to pick the right solution for your application. So that products do vary from low wattage, 100 watt, they can go down to 60 watt, all the way up to a 500 watt fixture. So really diverse applications because, our 100 watt fixture, has all the standard features of a UFO. Can have a motion sensor, could have a dome, it's dimmable, comes with a hook mount, you can pendant mount it, but this, you wouldn't use this over 14 feet. And you can probably use it all the way down to 12 to 10 feet. You just set it to less wattage. But it's really for your shops, your pole barns. It's an ideal solution for that. Easy to hang and just provides great light. This fixture is our 400 watt replacement. Again, a commercial product, great for warehouses, clean factories. Again, same thing, motion sensor. It has varying optics. It comes standard with a 120 degree, go down to 60 or 90. It also can come with a frosted lens for your sports applications. So this is a fixture that's used very heavily in pickleball applications. It's dimmable. It, again, can come with a pendant mount, but just a great all-around fixture. Very cost-effective, and we stock thousands of these. I was also asked to plug this in just to show you what it looked like. But again, very bright. Just lights up great. This is a great fixture to be mounted up to about 30 feet. That 24, 25 feet is the ideal. But again, great light. And the key to this class of fixtures, how the spacing of the fixtures are done. Because you want some overlap from the light a little bit, because it really makes your space very uniform. High quality light for worker safety, improved performance. But at the same time, you're saving 50 to 70% of your energy costs based on that 400 watt metal halide. We then in the commercial space, and when I talk commercial, if you watch my other video I've done about what's the difference between commercial and industrial, your commercial fixtures are used in clean environments, pole barns, shops, warehouses, those types of places. Whereas in your industrial space, it's a more extreme environment. Fixtures could get hit, it's hotter or it's colder. You don't want necessarily a polycarb lens. You can get it if you need it, or you just need more wattage, much more rugged fixture. This is our commercial grade 1000 watt replacement. Again, nice optic, can take a motion sensor, 310 watt. I think dial it down to 180 depending on your mounting height. This fixture, 40 feet will be an ideal mounting height for this fixture. Get great light, but it's for replacing a 1000 watt fixture. But if you notice, it's just not as big a heat sink as the other. So been a great all-around light for your commercial applications. Then you move into your higher-end industrial grade solutions where very high height, you want a bigger fixture because you want a bigger heat sink. I had messages about tempered glass. You can hit this with a hammer. This thing is not going to get hurt in your application. These things last forever. It's also available in high voltage, because you sometimes require 40 volt in the more industrial-oriented factories. All these fixtures come IP65. But then we have our newest fixture. This is a 500 watt fixture. It's designed to replace a 1500 watt metal halide. But the nice thing is its wattage changeable down to 400 or 300. So again, if you have multiple heights in your factory and you want to be able to set them at different heights because they're mounted lower, you can use the same fixture. Because what you don't want in an environment is the fixtures far apart, because then you get shadows in the middle. You want some overlap of the light that's coming down. And the other thing is you don't want a high wattage too close to the ground, because all it's going to do is put a big spot on the ground. And again, the light's not going to look good. So the uniformity is the most important thing for you. But again, very low end commercial, high output commercial to your industrial grade fixtures. So it really gets back to what your application is. What are you doing in the space? What light levels do you need? What's your voltage? How high are they mounted? What wattage are you replacing? Do you want to do for a 1-for-1, or do you want to remove fixtures or add fixtures? So there's all sorts of questions that come up in order to help you pick the right solution. So we can help you do that. If you give one of our lighting specialists a call or go under our website, you can talk to someone there. They'll help recommend the right solution and get you everything you need to make your light program a success. Stay in the light, and we'll talk to you later.